Sometimes I, and simply I, am everywhere, when fades the candle's fragile breath, when in a verse a line breaks off midair, and all within falls silent, still as death. Where time once danced, the ball is done, and silence waits, exhausted, for its end. I've seen the world, and much I've lost. Where life still boils yet I'd return again. The endless path, like thoughts from nowhere, and time itself just walks astray. We wander on, desiring wonder, while life and time drift out of sway. And once again, a light from nowhere, a song born out of yesterday. The weave of stars, like tales remembered, will open fate's eternal gate. Sometimes I, and simply I, am everywhere,